This morning in Living Healthy, summer is a time when many of us are on the go, and that means a lot of snacking. Joining us today with some smarter, healthier snacking suggestions is Frances Largeman-Roth, one of the most famous registered dietitians on TV. Good morning, Frances.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for being with us. Okay, so as a nutritionist, why is it important to have some healthier snacks options? Because I know I'm a snacker, a grazer, call it whatever you want.
It's about being prepared, right? Because if you don't have the healthy stuff on hand, you are going to reach for whatever is closest when you start to get hangry, and that might be something that is loaded with added sugars or is super processed. So we want you to have the healthy stuff on hand so you can make those better choices as we get into the super busy summer season.
So what are some of the top things, your go-to recommendations for smarter snacking?
Well, I love nuts, but not just any nut. I love California walnuts because they are the only nut that is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which may help with brain health benefits. So also they have per ounce 4 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber, and 2.5 grams of those super important ALA omega-3 fatty acids, which research has really linked to better brain health. So also you can really use them to satisfy any kind of craving, whether it be sweet, salty, or savory, and we have some great examples of that here today.
Yeah, because let me tell you, I love snacking, but I have a bad sweet tooth, and I'm always looking for something sweeter as I'm going through the cabinets trying to find something. So what are the other suggestions for a sweet tooth like me?
Well, Natural Delights Medjool dates, they are beautiful, and they are a whole fresh fruit that is loaded with vitamins and nutrients. A lot of people don't think of dates as a fresh fruit, but they absolutely are, and they're super portable. You can put them in a little bento box like we have here. You can take them in the beach bag, in the backpack. They are fantastic, wonderful for hiking. They're going to provide that sustained energy. They're low on the glycemic index, and they're also really great for pre and post-workout because they have more potassium by weight than a banana.
Now, what about something to to curb your hunger as well? Because a lot of times I'm hungry, and that's why I'm like going through the cabinet reaching for things.
Right. So what I tell people is the best way to curb hunger is by eating. So eat regular meals and then have planned snacks. Plan your snacks. You don't have to make them in advance, but make sure that you have the ingredients on hand for those healthy snacks in between meals. And then also fiber is your friend. Fiber helps you feel fuller longer. And none of us are getting enough, so you want to get 25 to 35 grams a day. And with all that fiber, you're going to need more water, but it's summertime, so you should be drinking more water anyway. 10 to 12 cups a day is key, and yeah, that's how you do it.
Because water will really help fill you up as well. Obviously, people are like, well, I need to drink water, but it will curb those cravings as well.
Absolutely, and some people confuse thirst with hunger, and then they start reaching for more snacks. So if folks want the recipes, the beautiful recipes that we have here today, they can go to tipsontv.com.
All good stuff. Frances, thanks so much for being on with us. We are going to share a link to more information on our website. That is rhodeshow.com.